There are so many takeaways. However, the one that stand out the most for me were the team building activities, where we as leaders, we were taught that what we do, how we treat our team, reflect on their behaviors both in and outside of the workplace. And also that as leaders, we sometimes have to rewire our way of thinking so that we can learn how to encourage more, say good work here and there, and be engaging and listening and so on. That for me was the most impactful. I would recommend the leadership workshop, definitely. The workshop for me was like nothing I have ever experienced. You go in expecting one thing, but it gives you so much. It arms you, it equips you to be a great leader. I find that it was challenging, it was thought-provoking, it was educational, it was inspiring, and it was full of energy, so you really enjoyed the entire workshop.